I want to show you how to build a website in 5 minutes. And before you're like, is this even possible? Yes, it is. Hey, what is up, guys? It is Harrison Marin from harrisonmarin.com, and like I said, 5-minute website. Now, of course, it's not going to be as dialed in as a website that took 20 or 30 or 40 hours. But most people come to me and say, Harrison, a website takes hours. I need an expert to do it. There's no way I could possibly do it. Wrong. You are absolutely wrong. And I want to share with you guys exactly how I do it. If somebody's like, hey, I only want to pay for 15 minutes of your time and I need a website, this is exactly what I'm going to do, and this is exactly what you can do. Now, after you've done this, you can, of course, go back and fix up your website. It is not that hard, but this is the first step you need to take. Now, we're going to dive into my computer here, and I want to share with you guys the exact secret sauce that I use to make a website in less than 5 minutes. First things first, you're going to sign into Wix. You are going to click create a Wix website or create a new website. You're going to start it on Wix. You're probably not even going to have the option for Editor X, but I want to share that with you guys anyway. Now, what kind of website are you creating? So lately we've had a lot of e-commerce stores, so I'm going to just type in e-commerce store. Might as well make it easy for us, right? We're going to hit next, and then this is where the magic happens. We are going to let Wix ADI create a website for you. So it's going to ask us a handful of questions, and what it's going to do is it's going to take that information, compile it down, and build a website for us. So I don't need chat on my website. I would like a subscribe form on my website. I don't think I need a form on my website, and any other of these choices you could choose from. For the sake of this example, I'm not going to be going through all of them. I'm just going to be adding a subscribe form because every good website needs a subscribe form, as we know. Now, add the name of your store. So let's go Pet Supplies Are Us. I'm just making something up here because my dog's eating a bone right behind me and he's having the time of his life. And we are going to add an existing website. So we don't have an existing website on this. So we're just going to skip this. We don't have anything there. We are going to have an email. So we're going to just do petsuppliesareus@gmail.com. And then from there, we're going to just leave us all blank because we're an e-commerce store. Nothing else really matters. We're going to hit next. And it's going to ask us what kind of feel do we want. In this case, I'm going to look for a little bit of a cleaner feel, right? That's just the kind of thing that I'm going for, right? You could pick whatever fits your vibe the best here. And I'm just going to hit next. And this system is starting to process exactly what we're going to be doing here. And now it's going to pick your homepage, right? So I don't particularly love the green, but it's pretty easy to change out. But overall, I mean, these are pre-made layouts with some good information in there. Is it perfect? Of course not, but AI does a lot of the hard work for us. So I'm going to go with this middle design. I kind of like it. I like the box. I like the feel. I like the vibes that I'm getting from it. And now it's going to ask us what pages we really want to add to our site. So we have an About Us. Of course we want to add that. Maybe an FAQ, probably some store policies. If we have testimonials, great. If we don't have testimonials, no big deal. All right, we're going to add some new collections in here, and then we don't need a support page, but a contact page could help. Maybe we need to take some custom orders in, and we're going to hit go, and then it's going to compile our website. And literally, this video is now 3.5 minutes in, and we already have a website. Now, like I said, it's not perfect. There's no way it's going to be perfect. There's no way that this program could design and build exactly what you want without any other work. However, if you leverage some of the tools that I've talked about on this YouTube channel before, you can use AI to write down a lot of the text. You can grab images from free sources like Pexels or Pixabay, and honestly, you could have a realistic website built in, not even kidding, 5 minutes here. If I wanted to have an about area, I would just go to one of my AI tools and I would just go and write an About Us section for us, and it would fire that up. And that's it. I mean, we're 3.5 minutes in, we've built a website. Now, yes, you gotta go through, you gotta add images. There's no way that Wix could ever have images if you don't give it your logo. You're gonna have to fill in some information here. It can't do everything for you, but we just built a website in 4.5 minutes. I mean, done. Is it ready to publish just yet? No, but we are way further than we were 4 minutes ago, and that is literally how easy it is to build a website. Now you might be thinking, Harrison, if I could build a website like that, why would I hire anybody? You don't have to. You don't have to, right? But not everybody has the time or understands or wants to mess around with this, and This is the easy way out, and I don't blame you. I've done websites like this before, and people love them. And I've done websites, every single bit is custom, and people love them. But this is how you build a website in 5 minutes or less, and that is it. You go in there, you add your images, you update your products. You might have to spend another 10 minutes like actually adding information in there, but I'm not even kidding you, in 15 minutes, max a half hour, you could have a fully functioning website that you can start taking orders, you can start making money, and you can start sharing online with social media and other platforms. It is literally that simple. If you have questions, please leave them down below. If you're like, Harrison, you might have cheated, let me know down below. But I don't think I cheated. I just built a website in 5 minutes. I got to just add some information in. Probably take me 10 or 15 more minutes, and we're good to go. Other than that, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hit that like button if you guys enjoyed this, because who wouldn't want to build a website in 5 minutes? Hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.